other thing is, what are the major reasons when we prescribe medications? One of the most common reason is extreme irritability, self-injurious behavior, or aggression, where some of the medication can be helpful. In other circumstances, it can be attention issues, hyperactivity issues, where some medications can be prescribed. In another scenario, some mood symptoms where a child is feeling depressed, or if they have extreme anxiety, medications can be helpful. One other major reason why medications can be prescribed, if somebody is having severe sleep issues and we have tried all the other intervention to help with the sleep and that does not work, then we can think about some medication which can help with sleep difficulties. So to summarize, medication should be the last resort to try, not the first resort. First, we need to try everything else before we prescribe medications. Hope this is helpful. Thank you so much.